Meaning of expressionism.
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 Expressionism. Expressionism is an artistic style that emerged in the early 20th century, characterized by the distortion of reality in order to convey inner emotional states. It involves the use of exaggeration and vivid colors to produce bold and highly subjective images. The result is often a distorted and unsettling portrayal of reality, conveying a sense of raw emotion and intense psychological tension. Expressionism can be seen as a reaction against the rationalism and materialism of modern society, and a search for deeper truths and more profound spiritual meaning.